Hi. So I'm editing this video at the moment, and well, I think we need to jump to day 3 quickly.
This is part of what used to be a phone, I think. iPhone. I started the vlogs on this.
So essentially, guys, on day 3 we had an absolute disaster, and my old phone that I was using as my second camera was absolutely destroyed. Stick around to find out what actually happened with that, but it basically means that we lost a lot of footage, mainly from day 1, so I'm going to be jumping in to fill in the gaps. But welcome to the video. My name's Matt, and this is my first proper video on YouTube for a while, so please do like and subscribe if you enjoy. I also stream over on Twitch under Mr. Pixley, so do go check me out there, where I stream at least 3 or 4 times a week. So a couple of weeks ago, on 2 days notice, I decided that I wanted to drive up to the Scottish Highlands, drive around, take my drone with me, and just film stuff and see if I could make a video out of it. I wanted to do a modified version of the NC500. I started by going up to Loch Lomond for the first major stop, before staying at Fort William for my first night. On day 2, I drove to the Isle of Skye and explored the Isle of Skye. On day 3, I drove up to Loch Niver, making some detours along the way, but following the NC500 route. The next day, I drove all the way up to the north coast to check out Smoo Cave. And then on the same day, I drove back down through the middle, back down towards Loch Lomond. Essentially, I'd heard that the east coast wasn't as interesting as going back down through the middle, so that's the reason why I cut off that side of the trip. And now back to day 1. So we left around 6:30 AM. The only footage I have is a nice sunrise over a Tesco when I went to get my first bit of fuel in the morning, and also this little bit of footage of a pink rainbow that I thought was quite pretty. Pink rainbow. This is where we're up to, continuing the video. Let's go. So guys, we've made it to Loch Lomond, and look at the weather. Amazingly grey, rainy, horrible. Who could have seen that coming, eh? I really wanted to fly my drone, but we made it an hour longer than it should have been. But we're here. 2:30. It's now 2:30. I left at 6:30 in the morning. So yeah, I'm gonna go for a bit of a walk. I might take the drone with me just in case. Stick it in a bag. Right, so we're at Connick Hill, or climbing Connick Hill. The rain has stopped soon after I arrived, thankfully. And this is gorgeous already. Like literally, oh, I can't flip it, but like the car park is literally just down there. Already very glad that I've come here. So let's get exploring, shall we? Over here, being watched. There was only one there earlier. Now his friends are coming. He's got back up. The softest gang around. This is a lot steeper than I was expecting. Quick warning, guys. It's about to be very loud. Okay, so I might have bottled going to the top, but it's because there's only so much daylight left, and I want to go check out the loch from like the shoreline. So I'm going to go see now if I can find a cool spot by the water before heading off to the next location. wigged me out so much. I'm so unfit. Plus, getting up at 5:30 in the morning, driving for 8 hours for 400 miles, and then climbing a mountain. Well, half climbing the mountain. We'll say that this is half completed. The first stop of the trip. It was a beautiful view, though. Beautiful view. I did want to fly my drone, but it was just too windy up there. It was too windy up there. But we're gonna try and find a spot by the water now before it gets dark. And then I might try and fly my drone, and then after that I'll be off to Fort William, where we'll be spending our first night. What's the time now? It's about 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Take us about 40 minutes to get to the spot. Yeah, okay, let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Look at that. Oh, we're definitely getting the drone out, lads. Okay, well that was fun. That was really fun. Got some good stuff there. Now we've got to go fuel up and drive to where we're going to be staying tonight. Yeah, more driving, more driving. I might have a little snack first. Yeah, little snack first. Yeah, have a little snack first. I think. Yeah. All right, let's go. I'm absolutely knackered, but we're in the first hotel in Fort William. I had to change my hotel sort of last minute, which isn't ideal, but we're here. So I mean, I'm going to be staying in four different places, so let's have a look at them together, shall we? So Fort William, this is also, I should say, right, this is very cheap, last minute planning, so it might be a bit hit and miss over the next couple of days. I feel like some will be better than others, just so that. I'm hoping that, I'm not going to say anymore. So, Fort William, first night, here we go. Okay, so here we are. This is the door here. Then we've got a single bed, which is totally fine, I don't mind that. It's just me anyway. I've just dumped all my bags and stuff coat over there. The heater was on, which is really freaking hot in here. I mean, it's not too bad. Not too bad. I mean, this has seen better days, but that's a very creepy looking cupboard. That reminds me of a sketch that a YouTube channel called Hat Films that I really did. What's in there? Okay, oh, okay. Scratch marks. Got another mirror. Double mirrors. Living that life. Flat screen plasma TV. Push it right up against the wall. Voila. And then we have, is this the light? Here we go. This bathroom's actually pretty decent, you know. Like, it's quite big. Shower looks pretty good. Nice size. Oh. Okay. Okay, right, the glass is frosted a bit. Okay, I was worried that I was gonna be like showering in the morning and then just gonna, yeah, I'm knackered, guys. I'm absolutely knackered. I'm absolutely knackered. I can't form sentences together. It is currently, what is the time? It's 9:15. I'm basically just gonna shove everything on charge, eat something and go to bed, I think, because I'm knackered. Day 1 complete. Second day, tomorrow we're gonna go to waterfalls, we're gonna go to the Isle of Skye. It's gonna be great, it's gonna be great, it's gonna be great. Hopefully we'll fly the drone more. Good night, guys. See you in the morning. Day 2, let's go.